These are the EZARC Drywall Guidepoint cutting bits. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely in some really nice packaging. They did a good job on this. They came in a nice polypropylene storage case with a spring-loaded flip top. When you take the bits out of the case for the first time, you will notice they were oiled up to prevent corrosion. And there are 10 bits in here. This case with this spring-loaded top is going to be nice to keep these bits together as long as I remember to put them back when I'm done. And obviously, this is an easy way to store them in your pocket or in your bag, keep them from getting lost in there. These bits are 1/8 of an inch in diameter with a round shank to fit your rotozip or spiral saw, and they have a cutting depth of 3/4 of an inch. The tip of the bit has 4 facets instead of a simple rounded or pointed tip. This is going to help you dig in and start cutting through the drywall more aggressively when you first plunge the bit in. The edges of the pilot tip are smooth so that when the tip is used as a guide, like say riding along the edge of an electrical box, can light, whatever, it's less likely to dig in and scratch the plastic or the metal of the box itself. I don't have a spiral saw with me, but let's see what this looks like at 28,000 RPM. Get on speed 1. There we go. Speed high, 28,000 RPM. Looks nice and balanced. According to the company, the bits have a reinforced core and a black nitride coating for extra hardness so they can take more torque and impact without snapping as easy. The helix angle plus that same nitride layer will cut down on friction and heat, and all of that is supposed to give you smoother and cleaner cuts with less drag and less cleanup afterward. So there you go, a nice little 10-pack of drywall cutting bits. Great for DIY work around the house or the trades. Great for cutouts around electrical boxes, switch plates, or recessed lights. Very nice.